Report him right now for aim hacking. Aim hacking and other hacking. Hold tab and then right click and then go to jack me off.
Hold tab.
Wait.
Oh fuck! Who just shot me?
What? You're dead?
Motherfucker! No, I have 21 health now.
What are we doing?
Who the fuck shot me?
Shaking there.
Get hit.
God damn it! I fucking picked up your weapon.
On retard.
Dude, literally me picking up your weapon fucked me over.
I could have killed that.
Honestly, who would vote for President Donald Trump?
Did you all buy a gun? Who fucking shot me?
Deagle. Shoot that window. Shoot that window. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you're actually.
All right, we killed him. Let's go. Let's go. I grabbed my shotgun. Is that you?
No, I opened the door.
He's got a shotgun in the corner.
Oh, he's in the corner.
In the corner, he actually is. P90.
Left.
I opened this door as soon as I opened my door.
Deagle.
Okay. I'll get my dualies, cause.
Okay. Okay, same window. We're gonna stealthily sneak in. This strat will work. Alright, we just have to stick together. Get his ass! Oh my god!
He's 99. Lit 99.
Where's he at? Oh.
Right there.
What?